So perimeter, we've gone over perimeter. We know that perimeter is the fencing around an object. So this is all the fencing. All of that is fencing around. So to get the perimeter, what would be the way that we could think to do this? Well, if I'm doing this and walking around here, I'm walking here, and then I'm walking here, then I'm walking here, and I'm walking there. So I'm just walking around my little garden plot, we'll say. So I'm walking. Now, what I can do is count the number of feet that I walk. As I walk, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be one way I could count all the feet around. So instead of doing that, I'm not going to really count the feet. I'm just going to say, well, this is the same size, this is the same size. So I have two sides that are wide. So I have two Y's. I have this side is the same, this side is the same, and this is the same. Well, I have three A's. Now I know that this side, this B, and this B are the same. So I have three B's that are the same. So what would I do now? Well, once I figure out what Y and A and B equal, I would just have to add all these together. Without knowing what they equal at this point, what would I write as far as an expression? An algebraic expression to figure out my perimeter. Well, I know I have two Y's, and I did 2 times Y. So I could go 2, because if I said Y equals 10, if this were equal 10 and this were equal 10, I can just take 2 times 10 and figure out that would be 20. So that's why I can just do it like this. So I have 2Y right here. Well, now I have the A's. One A here, one here, one here. Well, I know that I have to add that side to my existing Y side, so I'm adding the 3 A sides. If A were equal to 2, I know that if I did 3 times 2, I would end up with 1, 2 are my 3 sides. Alright, so it'd be 2, 4, 6. Then I also have the B sides. I did my A side. So now I have my B sides left over. I have 3 of the B sides. So I have to add that. Once I add the dimensions for B, let me see. Well, let's say B might equal 5. So I could do 3B. If I had 3 sides of B, 3 times 5 equals 15. 5, 10, 15. That's right. So I could say 3 times B. This would be my expression using variables only if I didn't know the numbers. Of course, here I did an example of what my numbers could be. But if I don't know what my numbers are, but I know that I have sides that equal the same length, I could put it together in an expression such as this. Using my variables of Y, A, and B. These are my variables. That means they vary. I could plug in any number to make this work.